Experiencing a miscarriage is heartbreaking, but many couples go through a healthy pregnancy afterwards. Understanding the underlying cause, seeking help, and taking time to overcome this emotional turmoil is the key to move forward. Now, some of the key points to understand here is that a couple who has undergone miscarriage need not actually have a repeated miscarriage again. It could be an incidental miscarriage as well. Number two, we have to identify if there is any major cause which has led to this miscarriage. So what are the most common causes? It could be a genetic issue in the couple or the embryo, the baby which was formed. It could also be because of certain health related issues in the woman, like if she is having diabetes, or if her age is more than 35 years, or if she has any uterine abnormalities, like the shape of the uterus is abnormal, or if there is structural abnormalities, congenital abnormalities, she's born with an abnormal uterus, or if she has any known condition like endometriosis or PCOD. The other most common reason could also be because of having lifestyle related issues like smoking, alcohol consumption, excessive coffee intake, etc. So what do? Give yourself time to heal physically as well as emotionally. Physical healing may take for few weeks. Usually we say about 2 months to 3 months gap in between planning the pregnancy after a miscarriage. Emotional healing is a personal journey which requires lot of care. So seek emotional support either from your loved one or a psychological counselor if required. Your doctor may advise for certain tests and may recommend certain lifestyle changes before you plan for your second pregnancy.